In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get next video idea for your YouTube channel just using readily available YouTube tools. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, now one unique thing about YouTube is the more you publish videos, they know the kind of YouTube will start learning all about your channel and will suggest for you content ideas that are tailored towards your channel. To find this, it is pretty simple. Just head over to your YouTube studio, and then once you are here, head over to content here. So under content, you see we have quite a number of options, and first on the list is inspiration. So if you click on inspiration, YouTube will have analysis of content that are related to your channel and new ideas that you can borrow from other creators or ideas that this tool can suggest for you. Now from here, you can now start using these ideas to create your next video or to come up with a topic for your next video. So that's how you can get content ideas for your next video in YouTube Studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.